LPU can waste away some precious seconds. 5 on the clock. Bravo for 3. Dagger for JM Bravo.
Nagsimula akong mag-basketball, 12 years old ako. Grade 8 ako lang sa Kaipian National High School. Tapos yun, nag-cluster A kami, city mate, tas Clara. Tapos yun, nung grade 9 naman ako, sa LCC ako noon kay Coach Marcos Lawingco. Tapos yun, nag-season prisa, tapos city mate, tas Clara. Tapos yun, nabigyan ng opportunity, nag-Arellano ako noon. Nag-Arellano ako noon, yun, wala, nagbulakbol lang ako, computer dito, di ako nag-aaral, di ako pumapasok. Pero napag-isipan ko sa sarili ko noong time na yun, mali pala yun, hindi pala tama yun. Kaya nag-isip-isip ako yun. Tapos yun, noong time na yun, nung wala na ako sa Arellano, lumipat ako. May nakilala ko isang coach na naging kampi ko sa liga, na si Coach RJ Desierto. Ayun, tinulungan niya ako. Pinag-aaral niya ako sa FCPC, siya nagbabayad ng tuition ko at binibigyan niya akong baon, tapos pamasahe, sa ganun, siya lahat nagbibigay sa akin. Nag-scholar din ako nung naging grade 11 ako nun. Pero nung grade 10 ako, maraming opportunity dumating sa akin. Nag-champion kami sa Oksaan, naging MVP ako, Mythical 5, tapos champion kami season, city meet, tapos hanggang quarterfinals na kami na Clara. Tapos yun, nung nag-grade 11 naman na ako, tawag na ito, nag-grade 11 ako, hindi na ako napaglaro ng city meet Clara kasi hanggang season na lang ako dahil overage na ako. Naglaro ako season ng senior high, champion din kami. Tapos naglaro kami ng USAA, yung time na yun, champion ulit. Tapos naging MVP ulit ako. Tapos naging Mythical 5, yan. Maraming opportunity na dumating sa akin. Simula time na napunta ako sa First City Providential College. Salamat pala kala Sir Vinci, kay Ma'am Star, kay Sir
Attention, itong Ayak. Kasi mas kinakanan yung na-injure as we see this nice play. Bravo. Samantala, Bravo na naman with another 3-point bomb. Wow, all around itong si Bravo.
Hindi nagustuhan ni Coach Bunyan dahil walang
Wala niya, Valdez no good on the second try. Here's Bravo. This time, gets it on the third.
Yan dapat ang ginagawa ni JM Bravo.
Coach James kasi his father passed away. A lot is riding on Jay Martin and Coach, and Ichi Elmirano is watching his team proudly sit
31. That is our tally. Navarro finding Bravo. Bravo underneath. Ganda ng read. Again, paulit-ulit natin sa kakataon para sa LPU na makuha ang lamang. Bravo from the outside.
kakasabi mo lang.
Kay Renzo Navarro. Putok pass.
Good pass.
Basket is good para kay Bravo.
Ganda naman nung
nag-grade 12 ako, hindi na ako pwede sa high school, maglaro ako sa tas naglaro ako season noon last year ko na. So nag-champion ulit kami season Prisa. Tas naglaro na ako sa college. Pero grade 12 pa lang ako noon, pero pwede naman kasi. Tas yun, time na yun, maraming kalaban na malalakas, sobrang dami, halos lahat sobrang lakas. Kasi mga college nga, mga magagaling na talaga, sobrang dami. Kasi talagang laruang banggaan, gano'n. So yan, di ka pala nag-champion din kami nung sa kalaban namin, University. Mga naglalaro ng PBA D-League, yun. Tapos yan, champion kami noon time na yun. Yan, di pinalad, nag-MVP ulit ako, naging mythical 5, tapos all defensive player, tapos all defensive rebound players, basta ganun, yung award na yan. So, nung time na yun, may nagpakilala sa akin kay Coach Topex Robinson, si Sir Jeng Marsan. Tapos yun, na-scout din ako. Yung invitation na yun. Yun, ginrab ko yung opportunity na yun. Pumunta ako sa Lyceum of the Philippines. Ayan, nag-aaral ako ngayon doon. So, first year ako ngayon. And second semester na namin ngayon. So, laking pasalamat ko sa mga coaches ko sa Lyceum of the Philippines. Hindi kami pinapabayaan. Inaalagaan kami. Yun lang mga idol. Salamat sa inyo mga basketballista. Ingat kayo lang.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been